Here are three things that Warren Buffett does for his portfolio in times of economic uncertainty. First, the Oracle of Omaha keeps cash on hand. Buffett has said before that he likes to keep at least 80% of his portfolio invested in equity, but he prefers this number to be closer to the 100% mark. Remember that just because the stock price has dropped does not mean that the stock is actually priced well. So lesson number one, let's not get too excited about lower stock prices and risk overexposing ourselves during these uncertain times. On that note, the second thing that Buffett does is focus on the long term. The investing maven always says he is a business picker, not a stock picker. So there may be tons of stocks making the news right now, but just remember to look at the fundamentals before you invest. Lesson number two, remember the fundamentals of investing for the long term. Finally, this isn't to say that Buffett isn't making any moves at all. He's not opposed to adding certain stocks to his portfolio, but he's being very selective about it. He just bought a ton of Occidental Petroleum given the short-term run on oil, as well as the company's long-term prospects. This reminds us that there is life after the short-term economic impacts that we're currently experiencing. So remember that bear markets last on average 9 months, and the economy will eventually move on.